Do you want to know how to make a shot like this one? First, we go to Google Earth Studio. We press on Quick Start Project. We have Zoom to, Orbit, Point to Point, Spiral, and also we have what I show you on the first frame of the video, which is Fly to and Orbit. Now you click on Start, but note that you need to sign up first using your Google account. Now you search for anywhere you like. I search for the Pentagon. You click on the green arrow and now you see a preview for your final video. Here you can turn on the clockwise. You can play with the end altitude or change the orbit radius, also the target altitude, to get the perfect footage you look for. Now you can choose the duration of the video, whatever you like, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. If you're satisfied, you click on the check button. And now here, if you know some information about montaging, you can add attributes or you can play with the keyframe to get the perfect footage. For me, I leave them as they are. Now up on the top, there is a red button, Render. We click on it. Now as you can see, we have those options. First two options are image sequence and video MP4. If you clicked on image sequence, the rendering will be on your browser. If you clicked on video MP4, the rendering will be on Google Cloud. But there are some limitations for that. You can click on the cloud button and go read the article. For the dimension, I chose 1440, which is 2K. And here, the Google Earth logo, you have the attribution position, which is bottom left, center, whatever. And the text alignment, you set it on auto and you can choose the X and Y axis. For the advanced, you can put 3D tracking data on After Effects as GSX file. And the coordinate space, you can choose it global. And the map style, you can choose whatever you want. I left on clean. And the texture quality, you can leave it on whatever you like. I left it on high. I renamed the project to test, and you can click on cloud render or you can click on submit. For the cloud renders, you can see your recent projects, and when you click on submit, it will put you on a queue for rendering on Google Studio Cloud. That might take some time, and when it's finished, you got an email. If you render on your browser on the second hand, it will put a frame by frame image to get the full video, like I'm showing you here. I got the zip file with over 750 photos. You can put on any montaging software you like and get the first footage I showed you on this video. And as always, if you liked my videos and felt that I helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more useful videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See ya.